Mesh goggles. Mine are fogging up. I need some goggles.
We don't have all the intel. Is that what I keep hearing? That's what I hear.
Me a 4 out of 5.
Why are we all here? Why don't we all go and look for it?
Look for the third piece. Leave like 2 or 3 to protect me, and that's about it.
I'm here.
I'll be here.
There we go.
We have 2 minutes.
Don't need that one. Use the one about that one. They said it was a 9 digit. These are only 4 and 5. Can I borrow some goggles, please? Here. Didn't you say it was a 9?
Fired up?
Yeah.
There it go.
Huh?
Hey, didn't you say it was a 9?
The 9-digit code.
If it doesn't beep, it's okay. Not all the numbers will beep. If the light goes green, no, wrong code. You need 2 different key cards together. To
That's why we need the other code. Someone has it and they're just walking around with it. I gave it to you. No, you gave me one of them.
I think my dad.
I know. I
Ryan
gave
gave
him.
him the 2.
But my other brother said
Is he on radio?
Done.
What's his name?
We don't need these
Max.
2. I need the other one
Max?
of these that has more codes on it.
But he doesn't have a walkie-talkie.
Hey, do any of you have the info?
Run and find him.
What's the time? 10
Did
minutes.
you
9
open
minutes,
camera
20
or
seconds.
access?
We got 9 minutes to find that card.
That's just enough time to fuck around. That's about it.
Let's have a tea party.
Let's say I've never defused a bomb before.
Good thing it's not real.
No kidding. We'd be fucked.
You have a laptop.
What's a laptop for?
Laptop, don't know.
Someone start going through the laptop.
Yeah, open that shit. Laptop, you guys not gonna do anything anymore.
Oh, okay.
Laptop for? No, you don't need laptop on this one. You see the other card. The laptop was just for the location. My bad.
You guys didn't clear it on the first level. They missed it.
We're still missing the card?
You're still missing one card.
I
have it on me for some
Virus and this trick over.
Excuse me.
Right?